You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this fascinating word. I know it confuses a lot of people. This is, of course, the name of an animal. Animals, that's the plural. And yes, indeed, the G is silent. There are other videos on YouTube that say that you can either say it as news or gnus. Well, no. I mean, every decent reference dictionaries and says that the G is actually silent. So it's news. British English or American English pronunciations are similar here. News, the singular, new, one new, several news. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.